GitHub's Copilot has arrived and is powered by the latest in AI. Using OpenAI's Codex model trained on millions of public code repositories, Copilot acts like an AI pair programmer, suggesting line completions and even entire functions as you code. It's making us developers feel a bit like we've been coding in Morse code and Telegram, or worse, endlessly scrolling through Stack Overflow. Rather than hunting through Stack Overflow or documentation, Copilot leverages the collective knowledge from developers worldwide to provide context-aware suggestion tailored to your code. Early users report it can cut development time by over 20%. In practice, if you're working on a function but you're not quite sure how to implement it, just type out a comment describing what you want it to do, and Copilot will suggest a snippet of code to accomplish it. Or maybe you're dealing with a tricky bug and you're not sure what's causing it. Copilot can help you understand the code and pinpoint potential issues. GitHub has now launched Copilot Chat in public beta. This new feature functions as your chatbot for your code. It's contextually aware of the code you're typing and any error messages, providing real-time guidance to your specific project. It can even explain complex coding concept and help troubleshoot potential issues. Imagine you're working on a project and you encounter an error message that you can't decipher. Instead of spending time searching for the error online, you could ask Copilot Chat. The chatbot can interpret the error message and provide suggestions on how to fix it. It's having a smarter, more helpful version of yourself to consult with. Or perhaps you're working with a new API and you're not sure how to implement a specific feature. Copilot Chat can provide guidance, offering code suggestions, and explaining how they work. It's having a mentor who doesn't finally judge you for not knowing something. One of the coolest features of Copilot Chat is the ability to highlight a piece of code and ask the chatbot to explain it. You can also ask it to provide an example of a function or feature you're trying to implement. Copilot Chat comes with a variety of commands to assist you. You can use the explain command to get an explanation of the piece of code, X command to explore the extension, fix command to get a suggestion for fixing errors, help command for general assistance, test command to generate unit tests for the selected code, VS Code command to get help with Visual Studio Code, and clear command to clear the chat. It's having a cheat sheet for coding, but without the guilt of actually cheating. However, it is important to remember that while Copilot is a powerful tool, it's not always correct. It's there to assist you, not to do your job for you. Always review its suggestion with your own professional judgment. After all, we can't let the machines think they're smarter than us. Now, with all this talk about AI and automation, it's easy to start worrying. Is GitHub's Copilot going to replace us developers? Do I need to start looking for a new career? Should I have paid more attention in my non-coding classes? Well, you can put those panic-inducing thoughts on hold. The short answer is no. GitHub's Copilot is a tool, not a replacement. It's designed to assist us, not make us obsolete. It's here to make our lives easier, not to steal our jobs. So, what does the future hold for coding with tools like GitHub's Copilot? Well, it's looking pretty bright and efficient, and a lot less like a late-night, caffeine-fueled code marathon. With AI-powered tools like Copilot, we can look forward to the future where coding is more intuitive, more efficient, and yes, more enjoyable. A future where we developers can focus more on creating and innovating, and less on debugging and deciphering complex code. Until then, keep coding, keep creating, and remember, the future of coding is here, and it's looking pretty awesome.